Okay, hello, it's Friday! Woo! Yes, okay, hi! God, today is the day where I'm gonna fix everything. No, but this week, or this weekend, because it's Friday today, we will put in my new floors. Yes, so that will be hella exciting, but that also means that everything that is on the floor has to be gone. At least as much as possible. So I'm gonna get rid of the rug, like move around some stuff. My plants can't stay on the ground. This is still going in the trash and in the storage. Everything in my closet, because we're gonna put in the flooring here as well, that has to be moved out. Like all of the hangers, I think I'm gonna, like these things, I'm gonna get rid of them, as well as everything on the floor. And my clothes will be hanging as usual. So that's what I'm gonna do. And in the meantime, like I have to place some stuff. I'm actually gonna do it in the bathroom. So I already started. The hanging rack is here. My laundry thing is here. Everything is going in here because we ain't gonna touch anything in here. So that's nice. But, oh Jesus, I have like a lot of stuff that I have to move. All the rugs and stuff has to be gone, which is this rug and this little thing and that one. So it isn't that much, but I only have today to do it because tomorrow my dad comes and we're gonna be super duper early. So yeah. Okay, halloj, it's Saturday today. Today it's actually raining. That's a change of scenery. It's raining, it's 9 o'clock, I think. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. My dad will be here in about 50 minutes to help me fix this. But before I do that, I have to remove like still some food. I have to make sure that my kitchen doesn't look like a hot mess. It does, but I'm just gonna like fix a little bit in here. And then what I didn't have the time for yesterday is to move all of this. Isn't that much anymore, but all of this to the storage. So that's what I'm gonna start by doing. It's 9, so I'm not really allowed to make noises, but I feel like I can get stuff in my storage. Yes? Yes, okay, let's go. Okay, so it's the end of the day. My dad left. And this is the progress. I have new floor. Can you just tell how nice it is? And in my entryway as well. Oh la la, I have some stone right there. It looks great. So far today from 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. We only managed to do this and in here, but I live in a very old apartment, built very old is kind of exaggerating, but it's built in 1967. So I have no straight walls at all. I also have this pillar that is just in the middle. Well, we managed to do that. That wall ain't straight. That wall ain't straight. This wall, we didn't really feel it because we placed the floor like this and not like this. That wall is not even at all. So that is how far we got. We're thinking about tomorrow doing the kitchen. Oh, and yeah, we have to get rid of all of the trim, as well as the trim like on the door because that got in the way, so we got rid of the trim. In here, I have tried to get rid of the trim right in the corner. I can't. I think they have like glued it on together with the carpet or the rug. I don't know. We're gonna do this area also, like apparently you place flooring underneath your fridge, freezer, and your oven. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow, as well as like this room, which is gonna be quite hard because I have my bed. And we'll see if I'm doing it or my dad is doing my closet. So that's that. I think that's the only thing we're gonna make or like be able to do this weekend and this vlog. We're going to buy some trim. Haven't really decided if I want, like I have an oak floor, so maybe I do oak trim, but I have to have light oak, which is better than dark oak, because dark oak was the floor underneath. It's darker, yeah. It's like that. Do you see? I don't want that everywhere. So yeah, so we're gonna have to buy all the trim. Also, like in between here, we're gonna place like a metal trim. So in between here, in between there, and in between there. It's gonna be a metal trim as well as a little bit over there. So that's that. It's now what? 8:30. I'm going to grab myself a pizza because I feel like I deserve it. Halloj! Good morning! It's 9 o'clock. It's a new day. So I know it's a bit too early, so I can't like make any sound. We have to wait until 10 o'clock. That's why my dad comes at 10 o'clock. But I feel like to make this as fast as possible, I'm gonna make myself a coffee with a real coffee and not decaf. Move my table and then start moving everything that is in here. I can't move my bed, but yeah, into the living room for now. Oh my god, I'm sweating. It's not even 10, it's 9:20 and I'm already sweating. So yeah, I pushed my bed a little bit. And pro tip, don't buy two smaller sizes beds and then squish them together, because I have no support in the middle and I live alone, so I need support in the middle. Yeah, so I removed everything. I can't, the only like, my strength surpasses, or no, I have no more strength to be able to push this up, because it is like this right now. It has to be going like this because we screwed these two beds together. So we need to unscrew it. But that's that. I have still like some wires in the back because these, it's actually 4 pallets, have LD like light strings on it. So we need to get rid of that before we do anything. I got rid of the paintings, the shelf, bookshelf, that's it. I moved all my bedding in here, so now this looks chaotic. And as you can see, these goes like this, they lay like that, which means that in here it's going to continue like this. Comprende? Comprende. That's the only thing I know in Spanish. And una cerveza, por favor. Which is, can I get a beer, please? Yes. So that's how far I've gotten. I moved the bathroom door to there because we need to like get rid of a couple of centimeters. This I will have to move later. I'm thinking about maybe moving these so that they don't fall. But they are a bitch to hang up. Oof, I don't know. My dad will be here in like a half an hour or so. This does still look like a mess. I'm not going to do anything in here because I can actually get the light. Yesterday we stupidly only packed 5 of them, so we need to put in the last one. So yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do that, and all the trims and stuff. I think that I am the one that's doing the trim, but I also feel like I have to know what trim I'm getting before I move in here, you know, because it's tight in between right there. Yes. So I have to know what trim I'm getting. But I think we're getting trim next week because we won't be able to have any time. So I think I'm gonna sleep in here next week on just one of these beds. We'll see what we were doing. I will document it. Yeah. Okay, so it's 3 o'clock. My dad left. He has target practice. So I am left to do this room all by myself. My dad said, like, you have had a 2-day course. Now I'm gonna leave you. I'm like, okay, yeah. But progress with this. Wow. Everything just melts. Like, look at this. Wow. That is supposed to be there. And then we go like this. And then like, wow, can we just talk about this? Like, everywhere this? Yes. We did in here, of course, but we placed the last little thing. I can't walk on that for 24 hours, so we'll see how that goes. And this is my living room. For now, I'm gonna have to sleep on this like this. I'm gonna put back my mattresses and stuff, those things. So I'm gonna place that back later. Can't do it now, but it's done. No, I'm gonna do this space, see if I can do it. I should do it. And then I have trims left on the floor and on the doors. And as well as like trimming pieces for the floor. Like on the floor. So yeah, so far so fucking good. It feels great. Yes, and I'm gonna remind you, please let me know what kind of trim I need. Black trim, light oak trim, or white trim. I want to see black, but I think because we're gonna glue it, I think I'm not going for black. Okay, let me see if I can do this thing. Jesus Christ. Wish me luck. Okay, so if you haven't put down flooring ever, vacuum, put this like foam mat on, and then you place your flooring on top of that. Yeah? That's how easy it is. Jesus Christ. Whoa, okay. 2 hours later, I'm done. Hey! A lot of mis-sewing, or mis-sawing, and I have... this is an example. I don't know if you can tell, but right there I have a new little piece. That is that I had to add because it's too big of a gap and the trim won't cover it. So that's one. And the first one I ever did, I cut the wrong piece off. Okay, but here the fuck I am. I'm very proud of myself. It was very easy in the middle. And the ends are always very hard. Okay. This is it for this vlog. I will be doing a part 2 next week. We have to add a trim. And I have to fix all of this. See you next week.
Mm.